Module 5 Navigation Menu. Let's make our navigation look like this. Before we get started, I just want to say thank you for watching this video. Be sure to check out our other how-to videos from this channel. Also, subscribe and share. It will be helpful for the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add a navigation menu with a custom tab colors. Let's see how I accomplish this. Let's start coding. Alright, let's go to our File Explorer, C Drive, Access Projects folder. We are going to copy this recent video, which was Module 4 Part 2. So copy that folder and paste. We're going to make this guy a Module 5. Let's call it Module 5 for now. There might be Part 2. We don't know. I don't know yet. So let's call this navigation. All right. We'll see how far we get to the navigation. Hopefully, not too bad. All right. So let's pop in there, and as you've seen last time, we did the logo, so we got the image in there. So leave that there. Open the application and enable the content. All right. Now, let's see that company. Oh, not there. That's not what I want to see. The form. So let me collapse that. There you go. That's where we left off last time, and everything still works as expected. And let's see the customer. Yep, customer still works as expected. So you just want to make sure everything works the way it's supposed to. All right. I noticed this guy doesn't stretch. Let me see. Let's select that and let's look at the arrange and anchor. See there, that didn't stretch. What we want to do is here. All right, stretch down. Let's see, stretch down. Let's stretch down. So that's just going to stretch it down. All right. Control S, and let's take a look at that. That looks better. So it stays on the bottom. So that's what we want. We want this thing to expand fully when available at any time. So regardless if we do that, you see there. So that's what we want. All right. And let's see. When we select that, edit works fine. Okay. Add new should remove, and let's see, cancel. Perfect. Okay, that's so there again. Don't worry about this header title. That's going to be changed in this video, in this tutorial. So let's exit that out. Let's see. Let's look at this guy. You know what? Let's go into design, and I believe this guy was not set to anchor. There you go. Stretch down. That's what we want. Stretch down. Because of course, when we made these forms, we just copy one form to the next, and so whatever's left in there was there. All right. In the last video, I asked you to change this, so hopefully you have done that. All you had to do was top right. That's all. All right. Now let's look at it. There you go. It opens all the way down there. That's good. That's good. All right. Um, so that's what we have. And how come there are only 6 products? I'm curious. Oh, there you go. Oh, okay. I got you. Okay, there are actually more. All right, so that's good. Let's see. Let's see. We're gonna edit, save, good, add new, good, cancel, good, excellent. So that's what we're at. And you notice this guy moved to the right, all right, top right. So that's good. Lastly, we want to double check on this before we start. There you go. You see there. Let's go to the design view. I'm gonna select this, and we want to do this before we start our navigation. Just because, let me see if this guy is anchored to the. There you go, top right. That's good. Before we start our navigation, because and make sure this form is not a pop-up and not a model. Okay, right there. So everything looks good and dandy. All right, now on to our topic, navigation. Okay, so let's check out this create navigation. um, so right now I'm thinking these forms 1, 2, 3, and 4 forms here, this has to do with administration. All right, so I'm thinking of having just one group, um, one navigation for this admin landing page. All right, obviously the end goal is to have the vertical tab to the left, all right, with different selections, with different options. And then one of the options on the left would be admin, and then you would click on that admin, and then you come to this horizontal tab form. So it's going to be a navigation inside a navigation. All right, so let's see how we can accomplish that. Let's work on the inside navigation first. All right, and that's the navigation. uh, so what I want to do here, I want to go to the design view, and uh, there are a couple things that we need to change here. Okay, so I want to see the property of this guy, and the first thing that we want to change, this being our label here. All right, so we're going to call that header. So this header here will basically, look at this. This is right here. Okay, that's going to be that. All right, and you'll see as we progress, you will see. And you know what? I want to expand. Oopsie, didn't want to move the whole thing. And yeah, we want to expand the form to about 8. There, that's good. And then yep, that's good. Right about there. I just had to think about it a little bit there. We want to move. Let's see if you can move this guy. Okay, we want to move that guy to the left just a bit. But and here we can rename this guy. See that? That's an image. You notice this guy right here says image. That's exactly what we have. Okay, so we're gonna call this guy img logo. That's it. See how that's gonna come into play now? So I want to continue expanding this guy to the right a little bit, and then narrow that. Oopsie. Yeah, I don't have a mouse. You probably knew that. Ooh, that's all right. I don't know why that guy is expanded. I think it's tied to each other. Let's see. Should we do that? Should we not? Not sure. You know, let's go back to there for now. Uh, huh. We might have to venture doing stuff on our own. So we can move that to there and that to all the way up. So and then pull this guy all the way in. So that looks good right there. All right. Now if you want to have it looks just like let's see. I want to see something here. Yeah, right about there. I think if we maybe move it, can we move this guy to the left a little bit? There. It's got that little spaces right there. If you can see, I want to put this guy to about one column there, and that looks good. Now, if you add this guy right here, I'm thinking, like so, all the way to there, and have that thing colored that color. Maybe that color. All right. I think that's gonna look good. Let's push this guy to the back. I want to see this guy. It's in the back. All right. So what you end up looking at? Let's go ahead and save this guy. Control S. We're gonna call this form admin. Yep, that's good. Maybe admin menu or admin navigation. You know what? Let's rename that to admin navigation. Just to make sure that we know it is a navigation. Navigation. I think that's good. If we look at that, you see this little border right here? I think that looks pretty nifty. All right. Now we want this guy to expand all the way out, just like we did down and right. Okay. So this is before we put all the stuff in there. We want to do this. We want to do this. So select that guy, not the whole thing, just right there. And you see this guy right here. We are going to go ahead and rename this guy. We're going to call NAV admin subform. All right. So all the stuff, all the forms that you put it in here, that will be in here. All right. And you will see why that name is important in later on. But for right now, let's do this anchoring. We want across and down, down and across. All right. So that's it. Select that. Control S. Let's take a look. See if it does what we want. Perfect. You see that? So it stretches all the way across and back. And I noticed that little background doesn't work. All right. So here we go. Let's do this. We need to also select that booger. You know what? Let's hold on. There. We need to. There you go. Now we want to make that guy. We want to angle that guy the same way. Down across. You see there? Now we can stretch this guy to there. That way we have that little shady back color, similar to what you're looking at in the Microsoft environment. You see that the little shady and round border. So let's go to home and let's take a look. You see? Oh, okay. Let's do that. Something happened here. Let's select that. Yeah, we didn't save. Okay, Control S. All right, make sure we save that one. Let's try it again. That's better. And you see that little border around there? I think that's cool. What do you think? Yeah, you know, if you work with the if you design applications a lot, as I have over the year, uh, there's a little trick. So that's a trick, and that's how they do it. That's how all applications do it. We do it that way. All right. Okay. Now to our fun stuff. So we name this guy. Da 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 da. So that looks good. And let's see. We worry about. We'll worry about this. As a matter of fact, let's do the header first. Let's do the header before we move on to the nav. All right. I opt to delete this guy. Just now I'm thinking. And then this background. Remember the background that we did with this guy? We are going to conform to this guy, you see. I think I like that. Alright, so we are going to go in here. There. Oops, bad. There and there. That's what we want. Alright, and we're going to pull this right here. You don't see footer, just pull it down. And there. And then we'll do the same thing. Back color. There. Alright. Move back to this guy. We want to copy all this right here. And go to the top. Paste. Make sure you select this header and paste it in there. You see? And we have all that ready for us. And the name is still there. Everything's still there. And we don't have to change anything. And that's the reason why in that last video, if you do it right, you don't have to do a whole lot. Just copy and move it over. And same way here, select the footer and paste. There you go. And just narrow this guy down. Alright. We're almost done with the header and footer, by the way. Alright. So now we can go into the code here. And then go to company. Remember this one? Remember this one? We put all the way down here. We copy that. And back to our navigation there. We are done. Alright. Now select out of that subroutine. Select form. You see the load here? Yeah, I'm gonna copy that, move that to the top. I think we're done with this. We're not gonna touch this anymore. All right. So here we can say call, and we're done basically. You see how easy that is? So now, if we close this guy, close that guy, let's see if it does. Oh yeah. Ta-da! Welcome. So we need this guy, O company, as company. Ah. Alright, stop that and we're gonna relaunch. Alright, stop that, close, relaunch. You see that? Everything looks dandy. Everything looks so dandy. There's something out down here. Oh, that has to do with the tab here. So that's good. That looks real good. Alright. So that would be our working pane. Alright, now let's go to design. Now we are ready. Now we are ready. So if we select this guy and type form customer, it's going to pull this guy right into here. Alright, check this out. Look at that. Isn't it neat and nice? Alright, so now we can change this name there to call nav admin 1. That means this is going to be the first navigation. All right. You'll see why I use this instead of nav customer or nav product and so on and so forth. All right. But for now, don't worry about it. Just look. Yeah. Just follow along. You'll like it. And then we're going to go right in here, double click, and call it form product. There we go. We got a form product. And then we're going to, again, nav admin 2. All right. And then we'll call this product. There. And then now you could easily, here's another way to do it. You select that guy and pull it. Well, you can't. Now, in order to do this, you would have to be in the layout pane. All right. And I don't like that because it keeps asking you to save over and over again. All right. Now, just to show you that you could do this way. All right. Which I don't like. See this? We're gonna pull this guy and put it in there. You see that? It asks you to save. That's why I don't like it doing that way. All right. I like, we like the way, see there, it asks you again. All right. We like this way. We like always. Okay. So let's pop over here where that's selected. We'll call it nav admin 3. And then this would be product category. All right. Now this guy might be just a tad larger right there. All right. And last, we have our company. Double click on that and say form company. That's good. Back over here, nav admin 4, and then company. Just take that FRM out. Good. All right. Control S, and let's close that. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. Nice. See, that guy moves all the way over there. We're gonna remove this, by the way. So we need to do a couple of modification here. You see this header right here? That's going to be removed, and it's going to be replaced by this one header right here. All right. So let's close this out. That looks good. Let's go. Well, let's see this guy. See there? That looks good. It jumps a little bit, so that's because this right here is not in line with that. So we can fix that. See there? It's not in line there. Or this guy's got the border, and this one doesn't. Let me see what this one does. That one does. Okay, so we can put a border. We can put a border right there. All right. So let's close this down. Let's go to individual items. I think there you go. We want it to look similar to this. So let's this guy, select this guy, and make sure this guy's got border style solid. That's good. And we're gonna remove this. Remember that. And then we're gonna highlight all, or not highlight, select all, move up about to there, and then right there. Okay, so that looks good. Let's Control S or save. Let's close that down, and let's see the product section. Oh no, that's a category. So similarly, we're gonna remove this guy. We don't need that, and select everything, move it up, and so I notice this guy just a tad higher right there. Now that looks right, and one more up right there. That looks good right there. Let's Control S and then close it. Last one. This one does not have a border. See, that it says transparent. Let's make that solid. There. That's good. And again, uh, we want to move this guy. We want to move this guy down one notch. Perfect. And then select everything and move one up. Control S. I think it should look similar now. Let's take a look. Oops. Oh, because we removed that label. Remember the header? Oh, we need to remove that as well. Remove. Oops. Delete. There. And then we also want to come in here in the unload right here on the bottom here. You see that header? Because we removed that. All right. Likewise, the company is the same way. We're gonna, oh yeah, we didn't remove that. We need to remove that and back to the company right here. Oh, gotcha. I know why. Because it's still running. Control S, save, and then stop. Okay, we're gonna go to right there. We don't need this. We just need this detail section. This company, we don't need that anymore. You see. So, and then we don't need that footer. Remember I mentioned that. So we're gonna go ahead and remove the entire section. Form header. Yes, go ahead. So it deletes the whole thing. And Control S. Now we have to go back inside here and remove this because it doesn't exist. All right. Remember I told you about that. But right here, right here, I'm gonna comment that out. That tells us that anytime we update this image or information, we want to redisplay all navigation logo and footer as well. Okay, so that's why that is there. So I'm gonna leave that there so that reminds us that we need to do something there. All right. Let's see what else. Product category. Did we do anything with product category? Let's go all the way down to the. There you go. There we need to move this guy. Yep. There. That's it. And that's it. Control S. Save. Let's close all of these guys. Here's how to close all. Right click on the tab there and close all. There. Now let's take a look. That thing just pops up. Okay, so this entire thing needs to move up. Oh, that's why. See this right here? It was just one notch higher. That's alright. We'll fix that one. Up. The category needs to be moved. Okay, let's do that. No, not design. Close it all. This guy. Yeah. So yeah, it's going to look nice. It's going to look very beautiful right there. And then move this booger up. Yeah. Oops, too close there. That looks good. Control S. I think it was the customer that has a little issue. There you go. That's what I thought. So if you select that, move it down and select everything, move up. That's perfect. Now they're all gonna look uniform. All right, Control S. Exit that out. Let's go in here. You see that? Oh, that one just a tad. Okay, so we need to make that guy about there. Yep. So that's good. Just the product category. So let's close that out. Product category. Right there. So this is part of programming. Is that we got to make this theme. I guess they call it theme. Just right so that it looks good. All right. Look at that. Okay. Now it moves the right side here. Move just a tad. We'll see what's going on here. Okay. I notice this space right here is on to the right just a tad. Let me see this guy. Oh, that's perfect. Okay, so we need to move this guy to the right just a tad. All right, let's go back to the product category. So we're gonna select everything there and right about yeah, part of programming is to make things the right way. There you go. There you go. See that black box doesn't move, which is good. All right, that's good. That's what we want. Okay, now there's issues here. Look, if you double click on this, it doesn't work. I can't find the form customer. That's because, let's fix it. That's because it's been replaced. You see, it's been replaced, and we're gonna do this way. Forms, admin, navigation, admin, navigation. All right, and exclamation. What do we call that? Nav admin subform. Remember that? And then we'll say it is a form. So we will have to make it a form, otherwise it doesn't know how to get there. Okay, so let's highlight this guy, copy, paste the bottom as well, right there. Oops, my bad. Let's try it again. Highlight right about there and then paste there. All right, Control S. Let's see if it works this time. You see that? Magic. Magic. Look at that. Well, will the edit work? Perfect. See, that's, how about this guy? Adding new customer? Cancel. Perfect. So now this happens to all the subforms that we have. You see, now we can just come in here, product, right there. Now all the controls are based on this subform now. All right, so that's why we have to do this. And you know what? It's good because now we don't have to think about anything. See, this calls different form. Now you don't call different form, you call one form, which is the navigation form, and it's container. All right. I think we should have called this nav admin subform a container instead. You know what? That would be nice. You know. So yeah, let's do that. I think that's let's close everything here. Close all. Good. Let's do that. I like that name, by the way. See, nav admin form. Let's call this admin container. I like it. I like it. Now the old days we call this container, by the way, container, and that's why I like that container ID. So in VB, that's container, which does exactly what this thing is. It is a holder. So we just go in there and just do that. Similarly, see there. So that looks better. All right, Control S, save. Well, we got most of the gist out of the way. You see there? Oh, let's close all of this. We're gonna get in trouble. Yeah, there. Good, good. Now the black stuff on this side, that's all right though. All right. Everything still works even when we change the container name. You see, and that's what we want. Okay, and that's what we want. Now let me show you how to address this guy beautifully. We're gonna make this guy look even better. All right, let's make this guy look even better. I like that, but that's okay. You're gonna like the way we are gonna be doing more. So uh, to do that, let's do this. Let's select that, select that, and even that, and come to format, and you see this shape right here. Let's try this guy. I like that guy. You see there? That looks better. So now in the future, when we add one, it's just going to be that little thing. All right. So if you look at it, see that it's got that little, yeah, little thing. All right. So that looks good so far. We're not done yet. I'm going to show you how to decorate this thing and recoloring and all that in here. This looks good, but we want it to look even better. All right. So let's do this. Let's go to the design view. Let's go to the code. All right. And here, let me grab my coffee, afternoon coffee. All right. Let's do this. Private subset navigation tab. Yeah, I like that. Set navigation tab. All right. Now, if you watch my how to make calendar, you see how I use controls, right? Well, I hope you watch my how to make calendar. Anyways, if you haven't seen it, please go there. I would appreciate it very much. And don't forget to click on that subscribe and hit that bell for notification. All right, let's do this. Let's do control as control. And you're gonna like this one too. For each CTL in controls. Next. All right. What do we want to do? We have 4 controls right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we name them accordingly. You see, I'm going to go ahead and copy that guy. All right. And what we want to do here, we say if control name equals, then so we are interested in navigation only, and then we want to make sure we don't pull all of it. We just want to pull the first whatever 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. First 8. So we want to say if mid, beginning from the first position, 8 characters long equals to that. I want you to come in here. All right. Now individually, we want if control name equals 1, then like so. All right. So now we're going to do this. We're going to copy that. You know what? We'll copy up to there. I think I copied it there, right there. 1, 2, 3. So 4. That's 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, perfect. We want this control back color equals color dark something blue. As a matter of fact, yeah, that's fine. And then we want this hover back color. How about hover back color? Hover back color equals color. Light peach. I like light peach, don't you? All right. Yes. And we want full color on this guy. Full color. You see how I like playing with color now? Equals color black, white. Yeah. And then we want the hover full color. Hover. Yep. Full color. I think it's hover full color. Equals. It might bark at us. Black. That's good. That is good. All right. So let's see what it looks like for now. Okay. In the first admin when it click. All right. So now, before we can do anything to this, all right, on load, we want to call this guy on load. We want to first set our nav admin set focus, and then we can call this guy, and then in here we're not done yet here though. Call me active control back color equal color. What do you want it to, when it select, what do you want it to be? How about green? We'll see how that works. All right, and then that's a back color, and the active control for color equals color white. All right, so all right, let's take a look. Let's see what it works. Let's see how it works. Control S, and then before we run this application, let's highlight this guy. Let's select this guy. Select this guy. All right, and even this guy. Oh no, yeah, deselect that because yeah. Now we want to go to click event. Hold on. Let me copy this guy one more time. Copy. We want to say on click, I want you to activate this guy for me. All right. And you know what? One thing I forgot here. It says equal here with the open and close parentheses. That means it expects a function, not a subroutine. So let's go back in there. Let's make this guy function. All right. There you go. So we want it to return some stuff. Okay, we want it to return some stuff because we want this on click to return some stuff in here, and that stuff is function. All right, let's go. Let's do it. Let's see what that first one looks like. Okay. Let's see. Okay. So is it hover? What is it called? Is it hover color? Let's try that. Let's take that out. I thought it was a hover back color. Let's see if that. Let's close that out. Save. Yes. It didn't go through. Oh. You know what? Let's see the reason why it didn't. Okay. Okay, yeah, because we didn't set anything in here, not just yet. Let's go ahead and do. Let's go ahead and set those guys. Let's go ahead and set those guys. I'm going to go there and change this to 2, and then change it to 3, and then change it to 4, and all right. And now we got dark blue. What else? Dark something. Dark brown. Dark orange. All right. Dark purple. Ah, there. Okay. So let's see what that looks like. All right. So if we go ahead and click on that guy, you see that it starts changing on us now. Now we are looking right. See that? So if we select, it's going to be blue. All right, and it's going to display the white full color as white. If we highlight it, it's going to be light peach with black color. You see, look at this. If we highlight, you see, light peach, hover, light peach. But the full color on this guy is black. And that, you like that? Look at that. See that? Now this selection here, you know what? I want it to stand out separately. How about the select? Yeah, let's do white here, and then full color black. Let's see how that looks like. Make that stand out a little bit. No, it didn't change in it. So the select is still blue. This would be, that should be selected. Well, you know what? We'll worry about this later. Not sure why, but anyways, it's starting to look nice. Nevertheless, let's change that to a different color. Dark something. Dark red. Yeah, there you go. So, all right. So that way it's not the same color as this guy. So that guy selected. That's selected. It's not bad when that's selected. So that's better. If we don't have this one as blue, it looks better. There you go. So that's good. Maybe it's programmed to match this line right here. See this border line? But anyways, that is our navigation. All right. Now we are not done yet. Not done yet. All right. See, we need to change this guy right here as we navigate. So here's how we do it. Yep. Let's do this. If me active control name equal nav admin 1, then me label header caption equals customer, and then we just copy this guy right there, and then oops, paste. That's 4. And then the second one is product, and the third one product category, and then the fourth one, you see how easy this is? Company. Well, until not, yeah, it's not difficult. All right. One thing we need to do here is in this in this guy, oops, we can say me caption equal me caption equal, how about all company? Oh yeah, hold on, my bad. We're gonna go in here right there. That's it. That's it. So here we're gonna say me caption equal all company name. So now when we open this guy up, see this right here? That's going to be the same as this guy. All right, close. That's how we want. All right, now let's see if we change this one to product. We'll see what this guy looks like. Look at that. And that's what we want. You see there? And that's what we want. Now, I said that when we change this guy, we want to change this guy. Remember that? I left out that comment. And let's see how we're going to fix that. Let's see how we're going to fix that. Let's go to company right here. So one thing we could do is do this. Check this out. Check this out. One thing we could do is do this. Go to navigation. Ding ding. And we're going to make this guy public. Oops. This would be the easiest way to do. You see that? We're going to make that guy public. Go ahead and copy that guy. So right here, we want to say form form admin. Now it doesn't have to be capital. Just call admin navigation, and then do that. What we're missing equals call. Let's see if that works. All right, I think that works. That's similar to this guy in a way. Yeah. All right. So that should work. That should work. That should just work. All right. So let's test it out. Let's see if this guy updates this guy. Okay. So let's go to select all. As a matter of fact, you know what? Let's go to Google here. Find company logo. And let's go to image. We're gonna, yeah, how about, hey, how about Lotus organization? Can I borrow your Lotus organization? We're gonna borrow that guy. All right. Ooh, that's not bad. That's all right because it's square. That's why I kind of like that. All right. Right click on it. Save image as in our folder. Project folder. Module 4 part. No, module 5. So we're gonna put it in here for now. We're gonna put it out here for now. Save. And then when we upload, let me see. Yep, that guy. When we upload, it's going to copy it from here and put it in here, and replace this guy, and replace mom. We still love you, mommy. All right, let's try that. Let's go back to our, okay, right here. And then module 5. See this guy? There. Oh, it can't find that navigation. Can't find the field refer to. Okay, so we can do the traditional way. Here's a traditional way. Here's a traditional way. It's forms exclamation. This is traditional way. All right, that's better. It likes traditional. See there? It updates it right there. Isn't that cool? That's what we want, and that looks good. And that's what we came to do. Is the navigation. All right, look at that. And we change this, it automatically updates there. All right, so let's try to change this company. I'm gonna use the this logo name. We're not gonna use, yeah, we're just gonna borrow your name for a minute. Organization, organics. Yes. So let's save that. Look at this right here. It's gonna change. And how about change this guy too? My organic street. How about 1 2 3 4 3? All right, so that's going to change here. That's going to change there based on the navigation subroutine. Oh, not that. That's not what we want. Right here, save. Ah, it didn't display. Oh, it didn't display. How come? Hold on. There. Okay. So something that. So when we save, oh, right here, we didn't recall display. All right. Now to do that, all we have to do is just do this. All we have to do is just do this. Let's try that again. Save. The reason why we didn't call display because in when we were doing the CRUD, everything is already in there. There's no need to recolor or to redo anything. But because we have this guy is out of reach. It's not on that containment. All right, it's on the main navigation form, right? These guys and this guy, and that's why. But in here, we didn't have to refresh here, but we do have to refresh here. Okay, so one way to do that is to, right here, is to call the, call this guy. All right, that would be a spaghetti code. We don't want that. We don't want spaghetti code. All right, so we'll go ahead and refresh this guy by recalling display. That's better. That just makes it better. All right, let's try that. Edit, save, watch. See there? That's how we should be. Okay, so in the past we didn't have, when we started working with this, we didn't have to refresh this thing because all the stuff that we typed in is already there, and all we had to do is just save and lock the control. All right, lock the control. But this time we want to make sure that the logo is displayed right here. The name is changed up there and down here as well. All right, and you know what, if you add slogan here, you can put a slogan like dash slogan. All right, so here let me show you. Let me show you. Yeah, I'm like a kid when I start doing this. I love putting stuff together here. So right here, caption, we can do this. Check this out. Ding, ding. Old company. Slogan. All right, check this out. check this out. Okay. All right. So let's edit again. Let's put this guy here. Uh, life is beautiful. Life is beautiful. Yep. And then put three dots. And save. Check this out right here. What? It did not do it. Oh, wrong place. My bad. I'm sorry. Wrong place. You see, it was the wrong place. It should have been right down there. Ah, Jack. That's alright. We know how to troubleshoot, don't we? Now, look at this. Look at that. Life is beautiful. And that's how you do it. That is dandy. What did you think? Comment below. If you like it, share, and don't forget to subscribe. More stuff coming though. Alright, more stuff coming. Yeah, more stuff coming. And everything should work as expected. Add, cancel. Yep. So this is all good right here. This is all good right here. Delete, nope. Add new, cancel. So that's how that works. Alright. So in the next video, product category relationship. Okay. And then we can have on the main page, which is different, which is another navigation. All right, like a vertical. We're gonna have another form called product search or some kind. And then we want to select by category, by product. But right now we don't have relationships. All right, so I need to hack that out, work that out, and create a product relationship here, product category relationship here. All right, so that will be next video. So stay tuned. Happy programming. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, share, and hit that bell. And also comment below, and if you need help, inbox me. Thanks again.